So what we have is a 2015 STI that we bought that did not come with a key. Subaru wanted $4,000 plus the fee to make a new key so that they could tear all this stuff out of the car, these 5 pieces, 4 plus the key, and reprogram it into our STI, version 7 STI. So what we're going to do is install the cluster, the immobilizer ring, the ECU, and is it body control module?
Yes.
And see if it works.
So the main 3 things are the cluster, the body control module, which is this guy right here, and the ECU. The body control module and the ECU are like all part of the immobilizer system. So you kind of need the cluster, ECU, the body control module, and then your key with the tumbler. The body control module sits somewhere else on a VA, or the 15 STI, the original one, but I moved it all to this area so we can pack it up into here, so it's not, we didn't have much room for it to go up there. Usually it sits like right around here somewhere, but this dash is different, so there's no room up there for it, so I had to move it here. So I'm just going to start by plugging in the body control module. Then just do the cluster.
So this kit came off eBay, came out of another 2015 STI.
Out of Florida, so probably it was flood damaged. Okay, I'm gonna set that up in there for now. So plug the lock cylinder in. It's fairly easy. The cluster had 1 plug. This has 4 plugs, and this has 3 plugs. Power for the tumbler. So that's that, and then now time for the ECU. And now just plugging in the ECU. Should all connected now. Let's just get some power.
Okay.
And as you see, there's no more security light. Fuel pump primed. Fuel level's working, so as long as there's no security light, that means it worked. All you need is a cluster, body control module, your key, the key that will work, and then the ECU.
All right, let's program the key for the locks.
So we notice that the key works in the ignition, so it sends out the correct RFID or whatever it is to the immobilizer. But now, as I'm pressing the buttons, it's not locking the doors or unlocking them. So I take the Zerk And what we'll do is we will program the key. Get the Zurich logged in. And the VIN will be different, and it looks like it's a 2016, not a 2015. As long as it's a STI, it should work. I think it was, oh no, not immobilizer. It's not part of the immobilizer, it's part of the
Body control.
body control. And special functions. Where'd it go? What did I do here? Was that brake control by accident? Click on body control. Okay. Last time I clicked on brake control, not body control by accident. Then we'll do keyless ID registration. Turn the ignition off and remove the key before registering. So we're going to remove the key. And then we'll press yes. And then here's the key, and it says press the lock button of the key to be registered, and then the unlock button. So I'm going to press lock and then unlock. And then press OK. Registration completed. So now it's working. The extra beeps are just saying that the doors are open. But you can see right here, right now it's locked, but now it's unlocked.
All right, next step is installing the motor.
Yep.